Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. So I got a small project I'm going to do. So this is 3 cells, 11.1 volt to 12.6 volt, 25 amp, balance protection board. I got this out of China for $2.14. So let's go ahead and unwrap this. So it is quite small. Hopefully I'm not going to zap it. So there's your battery minus, and this will be your input or output. And then there's your supposed to be a battery 1, but I'm sure. So they put the 3.7 volt, and then this is the B2, and then finally your B plus, which is 11.1 volt or 12.6. And this will be the diagram on how to solder your battery. So let's go ahead and open this one. This is the 10 pieces of 18650 4x5 cells spacer or holder. I got this 10 pieces for $4.15. So let's go ahead and open this up. Oh, it's kind of ripped already, so I think I should got a 3x5 instead of 4x5, but anyway. Two, 4, 6, 8, 10. All right. Let me get some cell and then just show you guys real quick. So if you have connect this in series, and if you think your 12 volt is just going to charge your battery without this balance protection board, your battery is going to get ruined, okay? So be going like this. Then you just stack them up. Depends if you want to connect in series, like the one for this board. You'll be connecting, see. You'll be connecting like this, okay? So I need to buy some of the nickel strip to solder in. So your negative will be facing downward. Okay. So be a negative, and like you see right here, negative, and then there is your battery 1, B1, which is 3.7 volt, and then here is your B2, which is 7.4 volt, and then your B plus, which is your B3. Well, there's no B3, so it'll be 11.1 or up to 12.6 volt. And then that's how you're gonna wire your battery. So this strip will be wiring together, and then this one go to the bottom of the negatives. And then when you flip it over, oops, that'll be like this. So this will be soldering together, the positive and minus. Okay, and then here is your B plus, which is 11.1 volt. So yeah, that'll be the project that I'm gonna do. And then you just put this on top of it. That's it. And this kind of holder is allow you to interlocking. Yeah, it's kind of tight, so I don't want to put it in right now. So you get this. You get connect this way, almost like a oh. Or you can connect the sideway. Well, you know, you get an idea, but I'm not sure it's, this thing is warp or what. I need to go top to bottom or bottom to top. So anyway, you can kind of get an idea. So, and then after that, you could just tape it up, and then put this board on the side right here like this. You want to put some glue or put like a glue gun, put some glue here, and then just iron on there, and then that's it. Alright, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.